Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we would learn 10 more words that are associated with biology, and the first word on my list is chloro. Chloro is gotten from the Greek word chloros and it means green, and an example of that is chlorophyll, which is the green pigments in leaves and they are responsible for photosynthesis. Another example is chloroplast, an organelle that contains chlorophyll. So the second word on my list is archaeo, which means ancient, and an example of that is archaebacteria. So anytime you see the word archaeo, ancient should come to your mind. Archaebacteria means ancient bacteria. The third word is hypo, which means below or less than the normal proportion. So an example of that is hypotension or hypodermic. Hypotension is low blood pressure, while hypodermic is the layer under the skin. So when you see the word hypo, you should know that it's under or less or below. So the fourth word is hyper. Hyper means above or more than normal, and an example of that is hypertension and hyperactive. Hypertension is compared to hypotension, which is low or less. Hypertension is higher, above than the normal blood pressure, and hyperactive means overactive. So the fifth word is derm. Derm is gotten from the Greek word derma and it means skin. So an example of that also is epidermis and hypodermis. Epidermis is the outer layer of the skin, while hypodermis is the layer under the skin. The sixth word I have is hemo or hema, and this word is gotten from the Greek word called Hema, Haima, Hema, and it means blood. So I have two examples here, hemoglobin and hematology. So hemoglobin is the protein that carries oxygen in red blood cells, while hematology is the study of blood. We talked about logy in the previous class. So the seventh word is zoo, and it's gotten from the Greek word zoeon, and it means animal. So an example of that is zoology, the study of animals. The eighth word is cardio. When you see cardio, heart should come to your mind. Cardio means heart. So I have two examples, cardiology and cardiomegaly. Cardio and logy, that means the study of heart. So cardiomegaly is an enlarged heart, it's a medical condition. So the ninth word is neuro. Neuro is gotten from the Greek word neuron and it means nerve. So an example of that is neuron and neuroscience. So neuroscience is the study of the nervous system. Then the last word I have is pathy. Pathy means disease or disorder. So when you see any word attached to pathy, you should know that it's talking about the disorder or the disease or a disease associated with that word. So an example that I have here is neuropathy, which is a nerve disease or nerve disorder. Then I have pathology, the study of disease or disorders. Another word that I can give is also myopathology, the disease of the muscle or disorders of the muscles. So we've come to the end of today's class. If you enjoyed this content and you want more content like this, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share to your friends. Bye!